How will you feel if your channel is monetized and you have been working on your channel uploading videos for several months, and at the end of the day you're not getting a penny for all the videos you upload on your channel? How will you feel? So that was the situation of a creator that reached out to me some days ago that I made a video about yesterday. So she complained about how she had been uploading videos on her channel, but she's not making anything. And like I promised in that last video, I said that I'll be interested in this case to see the end of the whole situation. So finally she reached out, she came back to me, and we talked at length, just made one or two research and discovered that there was a whole lot of terrible things that was happening on our channel. So in today's video, I'm going to share the remaining part of the story, how it all ended, our conversation later today. That this just happened some hours ago, so I felt that I should also give you guys updated as I promised in my last video. So if you want to know how this started, the beginning of this story, you can watch the video I uploaded yesterday, and I will share the link at the top here. You can watch it much later so that you see what some creators are passing through, and if you're new on YouTube, some of the things you need to avoid while growing your channel or growing your content creation journey on this platform. So now we started the conversation, and I told her, like I said, it wasn't possible that she's seen about $200 and something on her dashboard, but in her AdSense she just got only $5. I know the painful thing about this was that she would have been earning more than that, but because of the issue she had with YouTube monetization, her channel's monetization, the thing, she was just discouraged. She was somehow reluctant making videos. She just throw one video once in a month, or sometimes once in weeks. So that made her not, she didn't have that passion, that zeal to create more content. And like those of you that watched the last video, in that video she explained that she lost one channel just because of someone that said that wanted to assist her in monetizing her channel. I also explained some things you need to avoid in order not to fall into the pit she went through in my last video. So now coming to her AdSense, she have $200 and something in her dashboard in her studio, while in her AdSense she was seeing only $5 since April. That is for over 5 or 6 months. That was just the only amount, no increment. So on further, like I promised that I'm going to investigate further, she later, she replied my message, and then we started the conversation. And the little thing I did, it didn't take me up to 10 minutes to unravel the whole thing. And I said that I won't like to prejudge or to assume that the person that tried to help her, the person was dubious, but eventually it turned out so. Imagine making videos for several months and someone else is taking the money. So now, how did this happen? From the little research I had on her channel, I discovered that when she got her channel monetized, the person helped her to set up her AdSense account, do the necessary verification and all that. The AdSense account was good. So immediately she got the first payment from her YouTube channel. I think the person set up that AdSense account towards the end of the month, and so the first payment was just that $5 for that part for the previous month. And immediately that $5 entered into her AdSense account. This guy, or the person that was helping her, maliciously now removed her AdSense account from her channel and put their own AdSense account. So all the money that has been coming in all this while was going to their own AdSense account instead of our own. So you can see that when I would like you to watch my last video. When she confronted the person said that I mean, he doesn't know anything about it, that the problem is between YouTube and AdSense. So when I now have access to her channel and her AdSense account, so the first thing, and this is what I will also like you to do from time to time, especially if you are working with someone, if you are more than one person managing a YouTube channel. So what this person did was, like I said, the person removed her AdSense account from her YouTube channel and then associated their own AdSense account. So every money she's making from her YouTube channel is going to their pocket. So now I will give you an example of what you need to look out. As a creator, if you are newly monetized or someone helped you one way or the other to monetize your channel and you are making videos on your channel, you are not getting anything, just know that there's something wrong somewhere. So now when you go to your YouTube studio, I would like you to go to your YouTube studio. So on your YouTube studio, go to the page. Here under this particular area, YouTube Partner Program option, you will see the AdSense for YouTube. This is the ID. We call this number pop ID. So this pop ID number is almost about how many digits? Some numbers are here that start with PUB. So that PUB stands for publishers or publisher. So that is your YouTube publisher ID or your AdSense publisher ID. So like here you can see that my own ends with 792. So this lady's own, when we checked her page, the number here was totally different from the one in her AdSense account. So this ID, this publisher ID, is your AdSense ID. So the first thing you need to check, go to your page, then go to this YouTube Partner Program option, check the pop ID, which is your AdSense ID. Mine ends with 792. So now you go to your AdSense account, then in your AdSense account, go to account settings, then account information. Right there you will see your publisher ID again. So this is your AdSense ID. You can see here it ends also with 792. So this pub so number with ending with 792. So this is how you need to confirm if your AdSense account is associated or linked to your YouTube channel. So if the number in your AdSense account, if the number in your YouTube channel is totally different from the pub ID you have in your AdSense account, that means that's not the right AdSense account. That's not the right AdSense account linked to your YouTube channel. Also, there's a creator that I'm working with right now. She has been battling with her monetization application for months. I think since early this year. So it's until we now discover that when she reached out to me, I now discovered that the AdSense account that was linked to her YouTube channel is totally different from the one she's working with. You get the point? So now this should be a lesson. Like I said in my last video, don't tell someone to help you to grow your channel to monetization. Do it yourself. And when you are ready, when you reach the threshold and you are not too sure of the documentation, you see, yes, this AdSense process is very easy, very simple. But I'm telling you that from creators I've been working with for the past few years, it is not as easy as it is. You get the point? It is not as easy as it is. I've met creators who have lost thousands of dollars, hundreds of dollars, in different shades. And I don't know how. The funny thing there is that it's just a little mistake, little error. Just imagine this creator. You can check the video I uploaded yesterday. She commented on that video as well, and I pinned her comment, so you can check out her channel. Her name is 𝗕𝗄𝘁. I'm so happy that she even came out publicly to identify herself. So I'm so happy that she to also add credibility to the story I share on this channel. So finally, please, if you are growing on YouTube, don't beg people or don't ask people to grow your channel. Grow it yourself. And when it reaches to your monetization, when you have reached the monetization threshold and you want to apply for monetization, sign up for my AdSense support program. I will help you to do the application, do the necessary setup, documentation, verification, and make sure that you get your money into your bank account. So guys, that was how the story ended. We later discovered that she was being duped, or she has been cheated all this while, and that had made her not to even make content much on her channel. You can imagine this creator, she's based in the US and she has that passion to make content on her channel, but because of this, this administrative stress and challenges behind the scene, that kept her back from making more content. So just like I always say, if you are ready to sign up, you can scan the QR code on the screen and sign up my AdSense support. And it's not free, it's a paid service, so we can start off from there and make sure that you don't miss one dime from your revenue. So guys, what do you think? What do you think about this? Is it not sheer wickedness? Someone is making content on her channel and someone is repeating it elsewhere without her knowing. She already gave up hope. I mean, she already gave up, hope on this particular journey. But thank God that she reached out to me and I was even quick to respond. So thank you very much for watching my video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if it was helpful, and if you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe to this channel so that you won't miss useful videos from me on this channel. And again, let me know your thoughts in the comment section. What do you think about this story and how it ended? Thank you, and I will see you in my next video.